In the sense that to stand up, I think came substantially from other genes, which are quite controversial at the moment. But anyway, I mean, but that was, one of the issues was standing up. That's what happened in historically. You agree with it or disagree with it. And so I suppose some genetic transfer took place.
So do you recognize the Jinnah genes in you, you think?
100%.
Yeah, in what way? What do you think you inherited? What do you think you inherited from there?
I think one inherits the genes of one's family, both sides of the family.
I would say, I mean, having known your father a little bit, that what you inherited from him was his essential honesty, his integrity, his belief in loyalty, in decency, and his charitable disposition, the sense that you had to do things for the community, that you had a greater responsibility than just making money. That bit is clear. The other half, what do you inherit from the other side?
No, also integrity.
I said integrity.
No, other side is integrity.
Jinnah's integrity? Really? Explain that.
I think he's a man.
Because he's a controversial figure, so tell me what you think.
Controversy is actually, integrity is a cause of controversy very often, because a man sticks to his beliefs. And Jinnah was, I think, even his worst enemy will say he was a man of the highest integrity.
Yes.
Intellectual, financial, of course.
Of course.
There was no issue. Yeah. I mean, he made his own money. He didn't have any opportunity to be financially, lack of integrity didn't exist for him, because he was a self-made man, and apart from that, he earned every cent that he had. So there was no integrity issue there. But intellectual integrity, nobody ever denied. He didn't say one thing and do another. He did what he said he was going to do.